up, OMG Nation? 2 days after Christmas, I just realized that I forgot to put out a Merry Christmas video, so this is it, the beginning of it. Merry Christmas to you guys. I didn't get to say it on Christmas Day because I forgot to put something out for Christmas Day. I was wrapped up with family stuff. My boy is 4 years old now, and he is now beginning to understand what it means for Christmas and what the true meaning of Christmas is. We use that day to just celebrate and be with each other away from the cameras. So now, after some family time, I'm back on here chatting it up with you guys. It's about 46 or 7 degrees right now. Today in Franklin is supposed to get up into the 50s. I can't remember, like 52 or maybe 56. I can't really remember. I'm first manufacturer layered up, so I've got my hipster first manufacturer jacket on. I've got my first manufacturer chaps on with the wool liner. This jacket has a liner in it as well, a cold weather liner in it as well. I have on a t-shirt and a thermal underneath, and I feel great, baby. I still have these little work gloves that I purchased for 10 bucks, and they're still doing the trick. I'll tell you, the only odd thing about it is this: they're so thick. I've noticed that I'm having to squeeze the brake a little harder. I'm having to squeeze the, let me rephrase that, put more effort into squeezing the brake, more effort into working the clutch and holding on to the handlebars. Oh, I took that corner in the wrong gear. I think I'm in the 4th. I noticed that they've made my forearms a little bit more tired than usual, but I'm okay with that. It's a workout. It's a fat boy workout. This is a muscle bike. It's not intended for the skinny jeans, man. I'm just kidding. I know lots of dudes that wear skinny jeans. But it's not intended for you. Look at this pupper. Nice bow tie, buddy. Real nice bow tie. I like it. I think I'm going to run by the auto parts store, get a little seafoam, put it in the gas tank, get a good flushing and cleaning out. Last time I did that, I swear my bike ran better. But whenever we installed this little stage 1 guy right here, this upgraded Arlen Ness air filter, they said that my carb wasn't gummed up at all, so it looked good. That's always a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now, there is a hair inside of my helmet, and it's flopping right in my eyesight. And it is not my hair, it's blonde. So I don't know if the missus has been putting my helmet on or what, but it's definitely in here. Definitely her hair. This guy's right in the turning lane. He just turned on over and didn't realize what lane he's in. Yeah, buddy. You've been riding in the turning lane. Truck row. Let me pull into this auto parts store and pick up some seafoam right here. Put it in my tank. Everybody's always working on their vehicles out here. I think they have a sign out here that says, "Don't work on your truck in my parking lot, brother," but everyone does it anyways. Areas, directions for regular fuel system maintenance. Add 1 ounce per gallon with greater cleansing concentration. When a greater cleansing concentration is needed, use 2 or more ounces per gallon. For injector cleansing, use a 50% mix with gallon of soap. Let's just say. So I guess we can't add too much. Let's shake it up real good here. Let's just throw a little bit in there. That should be enough. I don't know how much that was. Just put this guy in here. I put in quite a bit. Maybe this thing will shoot flames out. I guess at that point I'll have to let the $1 million bogan know I finally figured out how to get, somebody finally figured out how to get flames out of your exhaust on a Harley. Well, it's definitely up in the 50s now. Hey, how about riding on one side of the road, buddy? So I'm running into downtown Franklin. I was just curious to see if the tree was still up. I believe they let it go. I believe they keep it up until the first of the year or after the first of the year. Pizza by the slice, $3. Brother, I could use a slice. Wait a second, I just had pizza last night. You know, I eat too much pizza, so I have decided that I would only eat pizza twice a month. And this was my last time for this month, so I'm gonna wait till halfway through next month before I have another pizza. Oh, pothole, manhole cover. Oh, hey, jeez Louise, brother, easy on the spine, brother, easy on the spine. There's the juice bar. Every biker's choice for drinks, brother. They get rowdy at the juice bar. Oh no, that's festive. I like that. All right, here we go. Yeah, the tree is definitely still up. And it is busy down here. I love it. What are you doing, buddy? I feel like people don't know how to ride in this little thing right here. All right, let's get it. Look at this NSX right here. Get it from this side right here. We'll go around one more time. Oh, there's motorcycle parking right there. All right, I'm gonna park. All right, here we go. All right, let's get moving. Whoop, step out in front of me, buddy. TwineGraphics.com. That's like a shameless plug right there. I was telling everybody this is like a shameless plug riding behind this. Pretty good. What are you out doing? Leaving work?
Yeah, my wife's gonna go over and run the shop today, and I'm taking my little dude out to go take some turns. And
yeah.
Got a scooter to ride. So hi.
Hey, how are you? I just had to get out for a little bit, and
Yeah.
you know, it feels nice out here.
Yeah,
And
awesome out.
I got these from First Manufacturing.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, I was always making fun of people that wore these.
Yeah.
And never again.
Keep you warm?
Oh gosh, yes.
Dude,
So
I've always been intrigued by them.
yeah, they're definitely worth it. Is what?
You said, are you one of my motorcycle friends?
I am. I ride motorcycles with your dad. I'd give you a, hey, we'll do air fist bumps. An air fist bump. Oh, nice. I'm about to run over and put some seafoam in this. So, putting some seafoam.
Seafoam?
Yeah.
What's that?
It just, it cleans, I'll shoot a picture of it to you, but it cleans everything. And so you put it in the gas tank and it cleans your, all of your car, gets the gum out of it and everything. So, no, it's, so I've been told this is blue. My registration says it's black. I looked up the color. They say it's blue at Harley.
I remembered it being blue.
Yeah.
It looks black right here, though.
Yeah, maybe in the sun. I just put this on back here.
Oh,
Look at this.
That looks good.
Yeah, so I put that on a couple days ago.
Nice.
So we have to get back out and ride again.
I know,
for
man.
certain.
I'm ready.
I'm riding all the time, just short stuff, you know.
I'm taking it out for a couple of little rides.
Yeah.
Nothing really much. I'm having kind of a deal where mine's puking oil.
Is it really?
Have you heard them talking about like the M8s where there's something?
I just watched a video on that.
Yeah.
Is it coming out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send it to you. The guy says that there's a filter, an air cleaner that you can buy,
Yeah.
and you can change it out, and it'll send it into a pan instead of out through here.
I've been looking up all kinds of stuff.
His name is Doc Harley. I just watched it either last night or this morning.
Nice. Have you heard of fueling parts? The brand Fueling? They make some stuff too, but they make a vented dipstick.
Yeah.
You screw it into your dipstick, and then it's got a hose that runs out. It's got a one-way valve on it, and it goes to like an air filter.
Yeah.
It allows it to filter the crankcase out or breathe.
Right. He explains why Harley did this. He's a Harley technician.
Yeah.
And then he gives his thoughts on it. And then he says, here's some DIY stuff you can do, but if you're not that type of person, here's what you can purchase. So, pretty cool.
I guess when Harley had to start doing something because of the EPA.
That's what he said it was.
Yeah.
So,
The M8s have big compression, so they cause problems.
Yeah, and I think that's part of the reason that Moonshine does something with the oil pump. Whenever they go into your motor, they always recommend, let us change out the oil pump. So, well, all right, brother. I'll see y'all. It's good to see you. Nice to meet you, brother.
Happy New Year.
You too. I swear we didn't set that up. I don't know how much of you could hear Brandon talking. Maybe I picked him up on this. We'll see. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching today's episode. I was just running around town. I wanted to show you guys the tree in downtown Franklin. If you didn't see the video from last year, I'm pretty sure they'll be taking that tree down pretty soon. And I had to run some errands. If you have not already, hit that like button. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.